So this is our 2024 Radiant Red Equinox. And this is one of my favorite parts. See, we've got all the fancy buttons, right? Which is really, really nice. If you got dogs, groceries, things you want to load in, you can push the button, load it in. It's really nice. You can see this one is all-wheel drive Premier. Just get you a look at everything. This thing is awesome. See, I really love this stitching. You know what one of my favorite parts in here is? This. Look, you don't need a power inverter. You have one, right? And heated seating for the back. Cup holders, right? Nice and up high. And as always, because it feels like a magic trick. Ta-da! Ta-da! Then you can fit, I think, 16 igloos in there. Or sorry, Yeti coolers. I'd have to double check. There's a lot of cubic feet. Alright, as you can tell, we got the whole setup up here. And let's go ahead and do it. Let's do the magic. Right, that just turns it on, as it says. Press brake to start, right? The music on. We're gonna do it. We're gonna put our foot on the brake. We're gonna start it. Right? Okay. Right, and you've got a lot of great features here. Me personally, I like to go and play with the radio first, right? See, like, how do I tune it? What do I need to do to get it to my favorite stations, And of course, Sirius, it's been a little more popular lately. But look at this. This is nice. So, haha, TikTok radio. Yes, why not? Okay, right? Now let's go home, right? And you've got the home here. You've also, if you're more of a tactile person, you can go home here, right? You can switch back and forth. You can have multiple users. You can hook your phone up. You can get native Wi-Fi that actually comes from the car. It's provided by OnStar, right? And I'm not going to do it right now because it's wet, but you do have this awesome roof, right? And, come down. Let's play with it. Come push buttons with me,